my name is Devin. Welcome to my channel. I am an American student and I am learning Chinese. Let's learn together. Today we are learning 6 words. The 6th word is sky, land, people, he, and me, and you. So sky, this is how you say sky. 天, 天, 天. And this is how you say people. 人, 人, 人. And this is how you say land. 地, 地, 地. The other 3 words are he, me, and you. So you, this is how you say you. 你, 你, 你. And this is how you say me. 我, 我, 我. And this is how you say he. 他, 他, 他. You learned 6 words. Don't forget to repeat them. I hope you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.